Okay, so let's get your LUTs installed into Photoshop so you can have convenient access to them. If you're on a Mac, then you're in the right place. Let me show you what I'm doing here. All right, so go to the Applications folder. Quick way, if you're on the Finder, to get there is Shift-Command-A. Immediately go straight there to the Applications folder. You can also navigate to it from your main drive onto Applications, okay? I do have Photoshop 2021 sitting there, but 2022 is, of course, what I'm using. I'm going to open that up. Inside there, we have presets. We open that up. Inside there, we have 3D LUTs, and we open that up. Now, mine is blank because I purged out all my default Photoshop ones a long time ago. Yours is probably going to have the default ones. If you're watching this installation video, you're probably new to LUTs in Photoshop. And so this is just one of the most convenient ways to go about doing it, okay? So we have this folder nice and empty. So I'm going to take the folder that you get when you purchase Actions Pack 6, all right? And we have the Freyja Rae LUTs. Let's go through this. So when we open those up, okay, there's a lot of different options here. Let me close up some of these folders, okay? There we go. Let's open that up. All right. So we have the different formats of them, and they're available. So in case, someone does get these and they're, savvy with LUTs, they can use the different formats that they need. The key thing to know here is that you just basically should just pick one format that's going to work for you in Photoshop. Honestly, 3DL and Cube are usually the ones people go with. I go with Cube. I just think it looks cool, all right? So when you open up Cube, just keep in mind, by the way, let me show you real quick. If you open up Cube, you'll see they're all in there with .cube suffix, right? And then these are all in there with the .ICC. And these are in there with all .3DL. They're all the exact same LUTs, but slightly different formats, okay? So let's open up Cube. And there they all are. It's really, really quite simple, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and recommend you hit Command-A to capture them all, as it were. Hold down Option, and then click and drag them into your 3D LUTs. Okay. Now, because this is going to be inside the Photoshop application folder, it's going to ask you for your system administrator password, your Mac's password, and that's totally normal. Okay. It happens. So here they are. They are now installed. So now, if Photoshop was open, we'd have to close it, quit it out, and then open it again so we can see them installed. So let's go ahead and open Photoshop. Okay, so now I have an image open in Photoshop. Let me show you how to access the LUTs so you can always get to them. Whether you use the Freyja Rae action that I have included in the set, or you do it yourself. It's very, very simple. Go to the Adjustment Layer menu inside Layers and go to Color Lookup. Now, if the installation happened correct, then they should be in here. And sure enough, they are. There they all are, right? So you can pick any of the ones. There's the actual one used for this set. And as you can see, it looks beautiful. And you can just keep playing around with all the others to get the different looks that you want. Now, LUTs, again, just to throw it out there, can be used in lots of different applications. If you are playing with video, you're getting into that, Lookup LUTs, very, very useful, both for technical and creative use. But in this case, this is a way for you to pick a little bit of my brain and put it into your work, at least to get you started and to get inspired in your color exploration.